Hey there, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of Cook and Eat with Chef DJ. And I, of course, am your host, Chef DJ. So I'm going to this new restaurant by the name of... So I'm going to let you know if it's a hit or a miss, a yay or a nay, a pass or a fail, a stop or a go. Anyway, I'll give you my honest opinion and let you know what it's like. So let's go eat. Here in this rain, trying them out. Food kitchen. Let's see what you got. Got me out here in this rain. Very nice. Very nice place. Hello. Hi. 2, yes, please. Can we have a booth? Thank you. Hi. Do the same.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Thank you. Very nice place. I've never heard of them. Just happened to look them up because we were in the area in Edison. So I was like, let's try them out. They look pretty interesting, good reviews. So, gonna try it out. Oh, thank you. They have a brunch menu. Thank you. Avocado toast. Yeah, I don't want that. They have blueberry pancakes. Organic blueberry compote, Greek yogurt, maple syrup. No, I'm not doing that. Farmer's market scramble. Farm pasture raised scrambled eggs, roasted sweet potato, charred onion, organic, roasted red peppers, white cheddar. A Southwest tofu scramble. No, I need meat. Okay. I have a lemon blueberry muffin. You know, I love stuff like that. A little chilly in here, but thank you. Yes, please. What's your name?
Adriana.
Adriana?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Thank you, Adriana. That butternut squash soup sounds very, very good. Yeah, healthy food place. But they have meat options, so. I would like to do it without the nuts. I have a question. The butternut squash pizza, can they do that without the almond ricotta because I'm allergic to nuts?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, they can definitely do that without the almond ricotta.
Caramelized onion. Do they have plain ricotta or no? No, just the almond ricotta. Okay. Now, if I wanted to add, can I add a protein to that?
Yeah, you can.
Can I do that and add the How's your crisp chicken?
Really good.
I'm gonna add that to it.
Perfect.
What kind of cheese do they use?
I wouldn't be 100% sure because that is the butternut squash pizza, so I'm assuming they don't use just any kind of cheese. But I can definitely ask the kitchen just to make sure.
Okay, thank you. So True Food Kitchen is a healthy restaurant here in Edison, New Jersey. I've heard great reviews that the food is very flavorful, well seasoned, and very tasty, and so good reviews. So I want to check it out, and I'll let you know what it's like. Yeah. So I've never been to True Food Kitchen, but I'm going to try it out. I'm going to give you my honest opinion and review. It's very nice in here. I love the decoration. Everything is beautiful. I like the play on True Food Kitchen, the green accessories and green decoration, green leather, sofa chair, seats, or whatever, which you sink right down into. It's like you're at a couch. You're at somebody's home couch. It's really cool, comfy. And it smells really good in here too. The food smells good. So I'm gonna try it out. They have a nice brunch menu. I would like to try the blueberry pancakes, but I know what blueberry pancakes taste like. That's nothing spectacular or anything that I've never had. So yeah, let's try the butternut squash pizza. And it has a garlic base. It has the cream, cheese, and everything. So I think I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like it. So right quick, have you guys ever seen the movie The Menu? When you look at this kitchen in this restaurant, it reminds you of the movie The Menu. That's the same kitchen. I hope that dude ain't back there, because I'm like, listen, let me out. To be honest, this place is jumping. A lot of people are in here, so I think I'm in for a treat. The more people, the more the aroma of the food is just slapping me in the nose, and I'm loving it. I believe I'm in for a treat. First time here, and I believe I'll be back. And I haven't even tasted anything yet, so I'm sure I'll be back. I just get that vibe. It's going to be good. First of all, the servers, everyone is so nice. The place impeccably clean. Very good place. I will say it's a little chilly though. The vent is blowing down right on top of your head, but that's beside the point. Once I start eating, I'll warm up. I'll be all right. Awesome. Oh my God, that looks good. That looks so good.
All right, I'll be right back with you.
This food looks and smells bomb. It's the butternut squash pizza. My George, will you look at that? I'm gonna enjoy this, I already know. True Food Kitchen, let's see what you got. Butternut squash pizza with chicken. You know we gotta have meat. It ain't gonna just be no squash and no cheese. Thank you so much.
Unfortunately, we do not have the garlic powder. Is there anything else that I can do?
Nope, there's plenty of garlic on here. I can already smell it. It's good.
Perfect. We're all good?
You're good.
All right.
Thank you,
enjoy.
Adriana.
Of
Thank you. I like her. She's a sweetheart. All right, so here we go. What? Wait a minute. The garlic, butternut squash, the chicken, the spinach, All the flavors mesh together perfectly. I love this. Good choice, Donald. Good choice. I like it. That butternut squash is bussin'. You hear me? Nice sourdough bread. Thin crusted. Well, I didn't eat. Very good. Got me drooling. First meal of the day. I'm loving it. This butternut squash pizza is something else. Okay. I gotta eat another bite just to be sure. Load it up. Now, do you see this? All that squash and that garlic flavor just come squazzing out and hit you right in the mouth. Tickle your uvula a little bit. Good stuff. This is really good. So I will say, how is your sweet potato casserole? What's a casserole?
Potato hash.
So sis got a sweet potato hash and a chicken sandwich, and she's liking it. I'm gonna try the sweet potato hash. Oh, that's good. Roasted sweet potatoes and roasted onion. Very good, and the flavors are bomb. True Food Kitchen is very, very, very good. It's light, it's healthy. You don't feel bloated. It's healthier options of food. Very flavorful. And by flavorful, I mean packed with flavor. It's not bland. It's good. So whenever you're in New Jersey, central New Jersey, namely in Edison, it is phenomenal. This pizza, Adriana, is awesome. Have you ever had it?
Yes, I have. Back when they brought it into the menu, I was like not really sure of it because butternut squash on a pizza, like who would think of that? But yeah, I've had it. We've had it so many times.
All the flavors, like even with the garlic aioli really on it, with the butternut squash and the chicken, it's phenomenal. I love it. I love it. But compliments to the chef. True Food Kitchen. We're good to the last bite. I'm not gonna eat it to the last bite right now, but it's very, very. Look at all that garlic just squazzed up on that sourdough bread. Put my hand up like the rest of y'all do. You see that? It's good stuff.
Thank you so much. Of course. Besides that, are we good?
Did you cook this?
I wish I did. I wish I knew how to cook it so I could go home and make my own.
Yeah.
Because it is really good.
Tell the chef it's very good.
Of course, I roll up and enjoy.
Thank you. So to that I'll say, do this. do this right. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm here with Ashura, the manager at True Food Kitchen, and she was obliged to be on the vlog. So I want her to give you some information about the restaurant, how long they've been here, what is it based off, who is the brainchild behind this. I'm sure that she can give that, but that butternut squash pizza is bussin'.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to True Food Edison. So we specialize in vegan options, vegetarian options, gluten-free options. If you have any allergies, any preferences, be sure to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help with that. Dr. Andrew Weil is the creator and the founder of our restaurant. We also have what we used to do was like the anti-inflammatory diet. So we want to make sure that you're eating good food and putting good food in to feel good for the rest of the day.
Awesome.
So I hope to see you guys soon. Come on in. We're more than happy to have you.
Thank you, Miss Ashura. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice lady. So, what do you think about the butternut squash pizza?
I would have never, let me push my glasses up, never ordered butternut squash pizza. But this, I don't even know. It's good. It's really good. It's really good. You gotta try it.
You have never had a pizza like this.
It's very good. Stop by True Food Kitchen. You will love it.